Hello everyone. This video is in continuation to our videos on biomolecule. In our previous video, we had started with the description of monosaccharides. We have discussed about the general characters of carbohydrates and we started with monosaccharides. In this video, we'll talk about or differentiate between two types of hexose sugar, glucose and fructose. Fine. Watch the video till the end. You will get all the diagrams and all the important pointers related to glucose and fructose at the end. Starting up with glucose. Here I'll just write this one is glucose and this is fructose. So we'll start with the first thing. Glucose is known as aldose sugar. Aldose sugar. And fructose is known as ketose. Why? Because glucose has an aldehyde group present at the terminal end, whereas ketose has a ketone group present in middle of the skeleton or middle of the chain, whereas aldehyde is present at the terminal end. Now both of them can be an open structure and a ringed structure. They can exist in both the structures. So it has an open and a ringed structure, which they can from open to ringed and ringed to open can be easily changed. Starting up with the structure, we all know it has 6 carbon. It is a hexose sugar, has 6 carbon molecules, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So again it has this aldehyde present here at the terminal end, and then the next chain at third carbon it's opposite, but others remain the same. This is OH at third carbon. Now what happened? We had to make a ring. So how is a ring formed? When the hydrogen of first carbon bonds with the OH of a fifth carbon in order to liberate out water, forming a glycosidic bond. Fine. A glycosidic bond is formed between. Now this bond is formed between first carbon and fifth carbon, and they share one oxygen, as in if we make the structure, okay, this is O, which is shared by 1 2 3 4 and fifth carbon, and here we have the sixth one. So it is shared between first and fifth carbon. Now which type of ring is this? It's known as a pyranose ring, because oxygen is shared, or bond is formed between first carbon and fifth carbon. Fine. It's also known as polyhydroxy because of many OH group present in it. Fine. So this is about the glucose molecule. Moving to the ketose group, the fructose molecule, talking about its open and again convertible ringed structure. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons, but herein we have a keto group present in the center of the chain, not at the terminal end. So we'll make it here. This is the first carbon. It's there in the chain, not at the first carbon. So it is H and double bond O, keto group present here, and on the third carbon, as we know, the orientation is different. H is here and OH this side, and others remain the same again. Fine. So this is the molecule. Now what happens when we have to make a ringed structure? In the ringed structure, I'll label them 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon. Now the water molecule will be formed between the H of first and the fifth OH of fifth carbon to liberate out or move out as water molecule. It is eliminated out as water molecule by forming glycosidic bond again. Fine. Now this type of a ring, now which type of what do we get? What kind of a ring is formed? We get a different type of ring wherein the bond is shared between the second and the fifth carbon. The second, third, fourth, fifth carbon, and this is the sixth carbon. So this is the bond sharing between second and fifth carbon. So what is this type of a ring called? Pyranose ring, where bond is shared between second carbon and fifth carbon. Fine. Pyranose ring and Pyranose ring, and it is also known as polyhydroxy because of many OH molecules present in it. Fine. And plus there are some things common, that glucose and fructose are isomers of each other. I'll write here. They are isomers of each other. And second is, both of them are called as reducing sugars. Reducing sugars because of the presence of functional aldehyde and ketose group. Because of the presence of functional group, aldehyde and keto group, because of the presence of these groups, functional groups present in it, they are also known as reducing sugars. They also can reduce cupric acid to cuprous in a Benedict solution. That's why they are also known as reducing sugar. Plus glucose, I'll write here, glucose is blood sugar, whereas fructose is fruit sugar. So this is the difference and the various characters and how are they formed between glucose and fructose. In our next video, we'll talk about the next type, that is the pentose sugar. As I already told you, we'll be talking about hexose and pentose. We have covered hexose sugars. In our next video, we'll talk about pentose sugar, and then we'll start with amino acids. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.